Hi, today I'm showing you how can you use SUMIF with array formula. We have the data table here. Here is the category and the amount, and here's the summary table. We have category. I'll show you the traditional SUMIF and the array formula with SUMIF. Array formula give you the unique opportunity that will prevent you to copy and paste cell to each of this cell. So we'll write the array formula in one cell, and that will work when you apply the new data. And traditional SUMIF you need to copy and paste to all these cells. So first I'm showing you traditional SUMIF. Now selecting the category, and here's, so you can see the number. So now we need to copy and paste all these cells, the formula. So now it's working. Now I'm showing you the array formula. So first you need to put the array formula, then put the formula, which is SUMIF. Next we need to select the category here the same way, and we need to select the range here. So array formula will look up only these cells. And next we need to select the amount cell, then boom. So you can see that all this number is generating automatically. I hope you can understand how you need to use the formula SUMIF with array formula. Thanks.